Hello student. Now the new topic, naming of benzene and related compounds. Okay. So first there is a structure of benzene. Okay. Alternative double bond is there, and how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen. You know very well the valency of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is very important. This is delocalize of pi electron, so then pi electron is converted into ring. This is a ring. This is called benzene ring structure, and this is a bond line structure of benzene. Clear? This is a bond line structure. This both are equal. This is the symbol of this. This is the equivalent. So this structure and this structure both are equal. Okay. Now in this condition, in this ring, there is a different position of ring. The first position, this position is called para position, and the near position is ortho, and then after meta, and then after para. Clear? The first position is a para, then ortho, then meta, then para. Clear? And the same ortho, meta, para. Now this is also right. This is a benzene structure. Now the molecular formula is C6H6. Okay. Now suppose you have this is the first example. This is a benzene, this is a benzene ring. Now suppose the bromine attached with this ring. So how to write the IUPAC name? So first we discuss about this is a bromine group. So bromine present in which position? Para, ortho or meta? This is a para position. Okay. Now in this condition there is a three structure. Chlorine. Okay. Yeah, there is a three structure. Chlorine. Now again, there is a para, ortho and meta. The first position is a para, then ortho, then meta, then para. Okay. Just look. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now there is a three structure. Suppose chlorine attached with this position, and that chlorine is there and chlorine is there. Now suppose one group is there. So one group is there, it means this is a para position. Suppose one group is there, one substituent here, one functional group is there. So this is what? This is also a para position. This is not a meta position. This is also a para, and this is also para. Clear? Suppose one group is there. So these all are in para position. So this is a para, this is ortho, and this is meta group. Okay, now suppose there is a group is there. So first you count this is a para, then after near ortho, then meta. Clear? अगर one functional group is given, तो वो हमेशा क्या होगा? Always in para position. This is also in para position. Okay. Now chlorine. Then after this is para, this is ortho, this is meta. Suppose one chlorine is also attached with this. So this is what? Ortho position. This is para, this is ortho. Now suppose there is chlorine group. So this is para, this is ortho. Clear? Now suppose there is chlorine group. So this is what? Suppose you count from both sides. Suppose this is para, so this is ortho. Suppose this is para, this is ortho. Suppose this is para, this is ortho. This is para, this is ortho. Okay. Suppose this is para, this is ortho. Clear? 100% clear? Okay. Now one functional group is there. It means this is also in para position. This is also in para position. This is also in para position. When two functional group is there, so first you count ki this is para and this is ortho. This is para, this is ortho, or this is para, this is ortho, this is para, this is ortho, this is para, this is ortho. Clear? Okay. Now there is a first structure. So this is a benzene ring structure. This is a bond line. Both are in same. Okay. Both are same. Clear? So now what is the name? The first. The position of bromine, this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is what? Bromo. And this part is what? Benzene. This is bromo, benzene. Clear? Clear 100%? Okay. This is bromobenzene. Clear? Now suppose this is bromine, this is nitro. So they both R is substituent. There's no suffix. So this is starting word is B and the starting word is N. So just you count from this side 1, 2, 3, then 4. So alphabetically arrangement 1 bromo. Yeah. 1 bromo. Just wait. 1 bromo and 4 nitro, and this structure is what? Benzene. Clear? 100% clear, all of you? Okay. Now only one group is there. It means this is in para position. This is not in ortho position. Agar suppose one group is there, this is always in para position. So only one group is there. It means this is what? In the position is 1. So 1 methyl and the ring is what? Benzene. Yeah. And the common name of this formula, is what? Toluene. Toluene. The common name. Common name of this formula is toluene. Okay. Suppose there is a two group. So first you consider that this is a para position, this is ortho position. So first you write the IUPAC name, then after common name. So just you count from this side 1, 2. So 1, 2 dimethyl. Yeah. Dimethyl, and the ring is what? Benzene. And the common name of this formula, you know very well, this is para position, this is ortho position. So just you write ortho, just you write the common name is what? Ortho, the word is O. Ortho, and the common name is xylene. Suppose 2 CH3 group is there, so this is what? Xylene. And CH3 in this CH3 in ortho position, it means orthoxylene. Okay. Now this is para position, this is what? Meta position. The common name of this formula is what? Metaxylene. Yeah. Metaxylene. This is a common name. Now what is the IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 3 dimethyl benzene. Clear? 100% clear? Okay. Now suppose this is a 2 methyl group. So first is para. So para, ortho, meta, para. So this is what? Para position. So what? Paraxylene. This is a common name. Okay, and the IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 4 dimethyl benzene. Clear? 100%? Okay. Now suppose benzene attached with CHO group. Benzene attached with CHO group. This is a famous name of this formula is what? Benzaldehyde. Just you learned that. This is benzaldehyde. Yeah. This is not benzene carbaldehyde. Just you learned that this is what? Benzaldehyde. Now suppose benzene ring attached with COOH group. This is also known as the benzoic acid. The famous name is benzoic acid. This is IUPAC name of this formula. So suppose CHO group is attached, it means this is a benzaldehyde. This is IUPAC name. And COOH group is attached, benzene ring. This is a benzene ring. This is what? Benzoic acid. Clear? Okay. Now the next example is what? Ring attached is OCH3. So you know very well in my last lecture, this is what? Anisole. Yeah? Or common name methoxybenzene. This is common name methoxybenzene. Okay. Ring attached with NH2 group, it is what? Aniline. Just you learn that. This is also important. This is important for your class 11 and class 12 both. Ring attached with OH group, it means what? Phenol. These all are IUPAC name. Ring attached with COCl group. This is what? Benzoyl chloride. Just you learned that. Benzoyl chloride. Okay, these all are important. Suppose ring attached with CH2OH group. So ring attached with CH2, it means this is what? Ring attached with CH2 group. It means what? Benzyl. This is what? Benzyl. And OH group is there, it means alcohol. This is benzyl alcohol. This is a phenol and this is a benzyl alcohol. Ring attached with CONH2 group, it means what? Benzamide. 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 Amide group is there, na? This is benzamide. Ring attached with CN, so this is what? Benzene nitrile. Benzene nitrile. Ring attached with COCH3 group, it means what? Acetophenone. Acetophenone. PHENONE. Acetophenone. Ring attached with Cl, it means this is what? Chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Clear? Okay. Now these are the 17 examples. Now the next one is what? Now suppose you have two functional group, COOH group. So how to write? Just you count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. So benzene 1,4 dicarboxylic acid. Clear? Now suppose you have two CHO groups. Suppose one CHO group is a benzaldehyde. Suppose one COOH group, it means benzoic acid. But two CHO group is there. This is what? Suppose two CHO group. Just wait. Benzene 1,4 di what? Carbaldehyde. Yeah, CHO is directly attached with benzene carbaldehyde. Clear? Now suppose two OH group is there. It means what? Benzene 1,4 diol. Yeah, diol. Yeah, 1,4 dihydroxy. Just wait. Dihydroxy benzene. Now in this case there is a three functional group. You know very well the priority of COOH is first and then CN, then after CHO. So just you count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So CN is what? Cyno. So 3 cyno. And you know this is formyl group, 5 formyl. And then after ring attached with COOH is what? Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Clear? The same ring attached with OCUC. You know very well O attached with this ring. So this is what? Phenyl group. Suppose O attached with CS3. This is what? Methyl group. Yeah. So COCH3 group is what? O8 group. O8. So this is what? O attached with this ring. So this is what? Phenyl. phenyl group, and that is, there is what, how many group, how many carbon is attached? There is 2 carbon. It means ethanoate. And this oxygen attached with this CH3, it means methyl what, and ring attached with this benzoate. Benzoate. Clear? Now suppose there is a different type of functional group. So COOH is a main priority group. So 1, then after this is hydroxy, this is nitro, the H is first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Just you write the IUPAC name. So just you count from alphabetically arrangement. This is cyano. C is first. So 3 cyano. Then after F, and this is H. So 5 formyl. Clear? 5 formyl. Then after 2 hydroxy. Clear? And then after 6 nitro, and ring attached with COOH group. It means what? Benzoic acid. Clear? Okay. Now the next one. This is your homework. Now this is what? Cyanomethyl. This is bromomethyl. This is also your homework. And this is your homework. The COOH is the main priority. This is bromocarbonyl. This is methoxy. This is formyl. This is cyano. And ring attached with COOH group. It means what? Benzoic acid. Clear? 100% clear, all of you? Okay. Suppose you have any problem, then call me. Okay. This is a very important topic. Okay. Clear? Okay. Thank you.